Very good morning to all our listeners. Hope you all had a great evening. A quick look around the market, and volumes, as largely to be expected for this time of year, are continuing to be somewhat low to moderate. The actual calendar for today, though, has been much more busy than it was on Monday. The real focus in Europe has been on that of Q2 GDP readings. Of the core countries such as France and Germany on a quarterly basis, they did come in slightly better than expected. Again, analysts were looking for the French number to show recessionary print, however that came in flat. And as such, we've seen a little bit of risk appetite across the asset classes, and European equity markets marginally higher in toward the North American crossover. Bunds, they're still in negative territory but have been grinding off those lowest levels as gilts have also reclaimed the 121 level. Elsewhere, we've seen the German ZW survey that has contributed to some of the pullback off the initial lows in the Bund. That came in worse than expected on the headline. And also Portuguese GDP, although not so bad in the core, the peripheral and bowed out nations such as Portugal continue to show much worsening growth prospects than the market was looking for. Again, almost a double-sized contraction for what the market was expecting for the Portuguese number earlier this morning. Taking a look elsewhere in the UK market, focus turned to the July CPI readings, which came in surprisingly higher than expected. However, the 20 pip spike we initially saw in cable was quickly paired as the ONS, that's the Office of National Statistics, said that much of this pop we've seen in inflation in the last month was due to an increase in airfare prices. Now, this does, of course, coincide with the beginning of the London Olympic Games at the end of July. Taking a look in terms of the session going forward, we have quite a few data points out of the US, the real key reading being that of advanced retail sales. We also have PPI numbers, and we'll be looking out for IBD the tips data as well. That pretty much concludes the opening wrap from me, so I wish you all a great trading day.